If you've been searching for a way to use Google Forms automation to reclaim your weekends, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform a simple Google form into a 24/7 AI teaching assistant. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a system that handles grading, student remediation, and parent communication entirely on autopilot. In the AI era, the best teachers aren't working harder, they're working smarter with the Invisible Teacher framework. We're moving beyond basic surveys to build a master questionnaire. I'll walk you through how to use Gemini AI to build quizzes in seconds, and how to use top-tier Google Workspace add-ons to trigger adaptive learning paths. Whether you're using Google Classroom or a hybrid model, these teacher productivity tips are 100% free and ready to deploy. We're going to cover 5 key automations, from setting hard deadlines with FormLimiter to sending instant PDF rewards with Certify'em. This isn't just a technical walkthrough, it's a complete classroom management overhaul. If you want to stop the missing work cycle and start focusing on high-impact teaching, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into the Google Forms dashboard and start your 2-minute setup. Phase 1. Getting started. Alright, let's get you into your new digital workspace. Go ahead and open your web browser. I highly recommend Google Chrome for the best experience. Click right into that top address bar and type forms.google.com. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and enter your email and password. Once you are in, you'll land right here on the Google Forms dashboard. This is your command center. From here, we're just one click away from building your first automated project. Now, look right at the center of your dashboard. You'll see that big, multicolored plus icon labeled blank form. Give that a click to open up your fresh canvas. But wait, before you type a single question, here is a pro tip to save you a massive headache later. Move your mouse to the top left corner where it says Untitled Form. Click that and give your project a specific name, like Grade 10 Quiz. Trust me, your Google Drive can get messy fast, and keeping it organized from the second one is the secret to a stress-free workflow. Now, let's bring in the AI power. Look for the Gemini portal or the Help Me Create button. In that box, just type a simple sentence, something like, create a 10-question quiz on science for grade 10 CBSE students. Watch this. Google's AI instantly goes to work, generating every single question, the multiple choice options, and, this is the best part, it even marks the correct answers for you. Once you're happy with the list, just move to the setting option and enable Make This a Quiz. You've just finished 30 minutes of work in about 10 seconds. Phase 2. Installing your automation powers. Now, let's gear up. Look at the top right corner of your form and click those 3 little dots. From the menu, select Get Add-ons. This opens up the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's like the App Store for your classroom. To make sure we're only looking at the best cost-effective tools, click the filter icon, choose Forms, and under the price options, select Free of Charge. Now, the stage is set. We are ready to find the perfect free plugins. Just search for the names I'm about to show you and hit Install to add those superpowers to your account. Phase 3. Step-by-step automation GUI. Automation 1. Set deadlines or capacity, stop late work. Time for our first superpower, FormLimiter. Just head to that search bar at the top, type in FormLimiter, and hit Install. Once it's added, you'll find it under this puzzle piece menu at the top of your screen. This is where all your installed tools live. Go ahead and open FormLimiter and select Limit Responses. This is where you set the boundaries. You can schedule exactly when the form opens and, more importantly, when it closes by picking your specific date and time. You can even generate a QR code for your form right here to download and print for your classroom wall. Once you hit Save, you're done. The form will now turn itself off automatically at the deadline. You never have to worry about manually closing an assignment again. The tech handles it for you. Automation 2. Send automatic certificates or grades. Now for our second superpower, Certify'em. This is the ultimate tool for instant student recognition. Head back to that search bar, type in Certify'em, and hit Install. Once you open it from your puzzle piece menu, your first step is to click Turn Certification On. This wakes up the automation. Next, set your passing score. Let's go with 80% for this quiz. Now, click on Advanced Settings to explore your options. This is where you can customize the email message your students receive. Finally, pick your template. You can go with something fancy or a simple, classic, congratulations, design. Once you hit save, the magic is live. The very second a student passes that quiz, a professional PDF certificate is generated and emailed to them instantly. It's hands-off encouragement that happens while you're busy teaching. Automation 3. Automatically send the document via email. Now for our third superpower, Form Publisher. Think of this as your personal digital secretary. It handles all the professional paperwork and communication the second a student hits submit. Head back to that search bar, type in Form Publisher, and hit install. Once you click Start Setup, you'll choose your template. You can select an existing Google Doc, sheet, or slide from your drive, or create a brand new one. Here's the magic: when a student submits their form, Form Publisher takes their answers and instantly converts them into a professional-looking document based on your template. Whether it's a progress report, a certificate, or a study guide, it can automatically email that PDF or doc straight to the student or even their parents. It makes your workflow look incredibly polished and professional, and the best part? You didn't have to lift a finger after the initial setup. Automation 4. Automated timer for Google Forms. Now, let's add a sense of focus with our next superpower, timer for Google Forms. This is the perfect solution for timed quizzes or exams where pacing is key. Just head back to the search bar, type in Timer for Google Forms, and hit install. Once you open it from the puzzle piece menu, you can set a specific countdown, let's say 30 minutes. When your students start the quiz, they'll see a clear, live countdown clock right at the top of their screen. It helps them manage their time effectively and gives your digital exams the same structure as a traditional classroom test. No more, how much time is left? Questions. The timer keeps everyone on track automatically. Automation 5. Automated AI Form Builder. We've saved the most powerful automation for last, AI Form Builder. This is the ultimate, all-in-one, tool that turns your existing content into a digital masterpiece. Start by opening a blank form and launching the AI Form Builder from your puzzle piece menu. Whether you have a spreadsheet in Sheets, a lesson plan in Docs, or even an old presentation in PowerPoint, this tool imports it all. It even uses OCR, optical character recognition, to read PDFs and images. Just select your file, and watch as it builds your quizzes, exams, or feedback forms for you. It's the fastest way to bridge the gap between your physical files and a fully automated classroom. Phase 4. The Invisible Teacher, Logic. Now, let's look at the most powerful, non-technical, trick to help your struggling students automatically. We're going to use sections to create an adaptive learning path. Just click the Add Section button. It looks like an equal sign on your floating sidebar. Think of Section 1 as your main question and Section 2 as your review station, where you've embedded a helpful YouTube tutorial. Here is where the automation happens. Click the 3 dots on your question and select Go to section based on answer. If a student gets the answer right, the form sends them straight to the next question. But, if they get it wrong, the form automatically whisks them away to that review video in Section 2. You've essentially built a personalized tutor that catches mistakes in real time, giving every student exactly what they need without you having to intervene. Phase 5. Sending or Analyzing. You've built the engine, now it's time to let it run. To get this out to your students, click the Send button at the top right. Select the link icon in the middle, and be sure to check Shorten URL to keep things clean. Now, just copy that link and drop it straight into Google Classroom or an email. To see the magic in action, click over to the Responses tab at the top of your form and click Link to Sheets. This is the ultimate automation. Every time a student hits Submit, their data is instantly typed into a spreadsheet for you. No more manual data entry or lost papers. Educator final tip: remember, being an automation architect isn't about being a tech expert, it's just about setting the rules once so the computer can handle the boring stuff forever. Start small with just one plugin, like FormLimiter, and grow from there. You are now officially an automation architect. If you want my Classroom Command Sent template with all these plugins preloaded, hit that subscribe button and check the pinned comment below. Stop working for your tech, make your tech work for you. I'll see you in the next one.